In this video, I'll show you how to watch American movies on Netflix, even if you're outside the United States. If you're using Netflix from another country, you've probably noticed that many popular American movies are missing from your library. This happens because Netflix shows different content in different countries due to licensing agreements. Your movie selection changes based on your location, which Netflix detects through your IP address. There's no setting inside Netflix that lets you manually switch regions. Logging into the same account from another country won't help either, because Netflix automatically loads the local library for that country. That's why American Netflix content doesn't show up when you're outside the US. The most reliable way to access the US Netflix library is by using a VPN. A VPN allows you to change your online location by routing your internet connection through another country. And the VPN that works best with Netflix is NordVPN. It's fast, secure, and consistently works with streaming platforms. You'll find the NordVPN link in the description. Now let me show you how to do this step by step on a PC. First, open your browser and go to the official NordVPN website using the link in the description. Download the NordVPN app for Windows or Mac. Install it, and then launch the app. Log in using your NordVPN account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a map and the list of countries. From the country list, scroll and select the United States. Click on it and wait a few seconds until NordVPN confirms that you're fully connected. After connecting to a US server, open a new browser tab and go to netflix.com. Log in to your Netflix account if you're not already logged in. If Netflix was already open before connecting to the VPN, refresh the page or completely close and reopen the browser. Now, search for any American-only movie or show. You should notice that the Netflix library looks different, with many new titles available that weren't showing before. You can now play American movies as if you were watching from inside the US. If a movie doesn't load or Netflix shows an error, don't worry. Simply disconnect and reconnect to another US server inside the NordVPN app, then refresh Netflix again. This usually fixes the issue instantly. For the best streaming experience, keep NordVPN connected the entire time you're watching. NordVPN uses high-speed servers, so you'll get smooth playback in HD or even 4K without buffering, as long as your internet connection is stable. NordVPN also protects your privacy while streaming. It hides your real IP address, encrypts your data, and includes features like a kill switch and threat protection, which help block trackers, ads, and unsafe websites. So if you want to unlock American movies on Netflix from anywhere in the world, this is the easiest and safest method. Connect to a US server with NordVPN, open Netflix, and enjoy the full American Netflix library without restrictions. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN and start watching US Netflix content today.